still summer. So let's read this one. Let's read. The first one is the sunshine.
The sunshine.
Very good. One more time. Let's say sun,
Sunshine.
shine, sunshine.
Sunshine.
Very good. So now let's take a look at the picture. Do you know what is this, Antu? What is in the picture? What is in the picture?
Trong bức ảnh có gì?
What is in the picture? This is
Maybe
the sun. This is the sun.
Sunday.
Very good. Sun. One more time. Let's say sun.
Sun.
Perfect. So this is the sun. Is the sun happy or sad? Is the sun happy or sad?
Mặt trời đang vui hay buồn?
Is it
Yes.
happy? Yes. Okay, so yes, the sun is happy. Wow, very good. The sun is happy. What is the color of the sun? What is the color of the sun?
Mặt trời có màu gì?
Yeah. Blue.
Very good. Yellow, blue, and this one. What color is this? Oh, yellow, blue, and orange. Let's say yellow, blue, and orange.
Orange.
Very good. Good job. So next, let's go with our next one. What is this? This is the beach.
The beach.
Very good. Let's take a look at the picture. What is this? Is this the sun? Is this the sun? Yes or no? Why are you eating that? Is that a food?
Đây có phải là mặt trời không?
Yes.
Yes, very good. How about this one? What is this? What is this?
Đây là cái gì?
This is
A
the sea. Let's say the sea.
sea.
Very good. Next one. This one. Let's take a look at this picture. What is this? This is sandcastle.
So,
Very good. One more time. Let's say sand
sand.
castle.
Castle.
Very good. Good job. Next, let's look at this one. What is sandcastle made of? What is sandcastle made of?
Lâu đài cát được làm từ gì?
No.
No, no. It is made of, let's say, it is made
Me.
of sand.
Thunder.
Very good. Now, what colors can you see in the picture? What colors?
Bạn có thể nhìn thấy những màu gì?
What colors? Color blue,
Blue star. The other ball. There's for the
brown,
brown.
yellow,
Yellow. Blue.
orange.
Orange. Blue.
Very good. Wow, good job. Next one. What is the color? What color is this, Antu? Color green.
Green.
Very good. So that is the color that we can see. Okay. So now, Antu, do you like to go to the beach? Yes or no?
Bạn có thích đi biển không?
No.
Ah, no. No? Don't you like to swim?
Bạn không thích bơi à?
No.
No. Oh, no, you don't like swimming. So let's say, no, I don't. No, I don't.
No. I don't.
Very good. So next, let's go with our next one. Let's say the rain.
The wind.
Very good. This is the rain.
The wind.
Perfect job. So what colors can you see in the picture, Antu?
Bạn có thể nhìn thấy những màu sắc nào trong bức tranh?
Blue, red, the blue,
Blue and gray.
pink,
Let's say gray.
the wind,
Very good. Gray.
the wind.
Very good. So now, is the cloud happy or sad?
Đám mây đang vui hay buồn?
Buồn.
Buwan, is it happy or sad?
Ocean.
It's sad. The cloud, let's say, the cloud is sad. It's sad.
Mm,
Let's say sad. Okay, now teacher has a question. Do you like the rain? Do you like the rain?
Bạn có thích mưa không?
yes.
Yes. What do you like to do in
Hello?
the rain? I know. No, you don't
No.
like the rain? Don't you play in the rain?
Bạn không chơi khi trời mưa à?
Don't you play in the rain?
No.
No. No. Oh no. Anju doesn't want the rain. Now the rain is sad. Okay, next. Let's go with our next one. Let's look at the picture. Let's say the swimsuit. No? Let's say the swim suit.
Rain suit.
Very good. So this is a swimsuit.
The wind.
Very good. So now, what colors can you see in the swimsuit, Antu?
Bạn có thể nhìn thấy những màu gì trên bộ đồ bơi này?
What colors? Color, blue,
Blue.
white.
Wow, pink, yellow.
Very good. Wow, blue, white, pink, and yellow. Good job, Antu. Next one. What do you see in the swimsuit? What do you see?
Bạn thấy gì ở bộ đồ bơi đó?
No.
What is this? This one.
Yes.
Is it a flower? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Yep. Very good. So I see. So now let's say I see a
A
flower.
flower.
Very good. Good job, Auntie. So next, let's go with our next page. What can you see in the picture? What is in the picture?
Bạn nhìn thấy gì trong bức tranh?
What is in the picture? This is, let's see, the ball.
A bird.
Very good. This is the ball. Okay, now and two. What colors can you see on the ball? What colors?
Bạn có thể nhìn thấy những màu gì trên quả bóng?
Red, blue, yellow.
Very good. Wow, red, blue, yellow. Good job. Do you play? Do you play a ball? Yes or no?
Bạn có chơi bóng không?
Yeah.
Yes. Wow, very good. So I play, let's say, I play a ball. Let's say I play
Red
ball.
ball.
Very good. Good job. So next. Okay, let's take a look at the picture. What is in the picture?
Trong bức ảnh có gì?
What is this or what are these? These are the flowers.
Flower.
Very good. Okay, what colors can you see in the flowers?
Bạn có thể nhìn thấy những màu gì?
Yellow. Red. Blue. Ginger.
Very good. So now let's say I see
I see
yellow, red,
red,
purple,
purple,
and green.
and green.
Very good. So now let's take a look at the picture. Which flower is the biggest? Which flower is the biggest?
Loài hoa nào lớn nhất?
Hướng dương.
Which flower? Which flower is the biggest? Is it the yellow flower? Yes or
Flower.
no?
Phải đó là bông hoa màu vàng không?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. So now let's see. The yellow, let's say the yellow flower
Flower
is
is
the biggest.
a big.
Very good. Good job. So next, let's go with our next page. What is this? This is the garden.
Then golden.
Very good. One more time. Let's say garden.
Garden.
Very good. So now teacher has a question for Anne too. What can you see in the garden?
Bạn có thể nhìn thấy gì trong khu vườn?
Bó màu vàng.
I can see flowers.
Flower.
Very good. So now let's read the sentence. I can see. Let's say, I can
I can
see
see
flowers.
flower.
Very good. What colors are in the garden?
Vườn có những màu gì?
What colors? Color yellow,
Yellow.
red, red,
Orange.
pink,
Bánh.
purple,
Các bạn.
orange,
Orange.
blue,
blue,
and green.
and green.
Very good. Do you have? What is your favorite flower, Antu?
Loài hoa yêu thích của bạn là gì?
What is your favorite flower?
Tulip. Tulip.
Oh, what is your favorite flower?
Tulip.
Tulip, tulip. Let's say tulip.
Tulip.
Very good. Good job. These are the tulips. Wow, that is your favorite. Okay, next. Let's go with our next picture. This is the summer.
Summer.
Very good. Now, what can you see in the picture? What are the things that you can see in the picture?
Bạn nhìn thấy gì trong bức tranh?
Cây ở mặt trời nha này, mấy này, hoa này, cỏ,
I see
cây,
tree, sun,
trắng,
cloud,
lá,
bird,
bird,
grass,
grass,
and flowers.
and flower.
Very good. So now let's take a look at the sun. Is the sun smiling or is the sun sad?
Mặt trời đang mỉm cười hay buồn bã?
Mỉm cười.
Is it smiling?
Tươi.
Yes, smile. Very good. Wow, you are so pretty. The sun is smiling. Very good. So now, Antu, what do you like to do in the summer? What do you like to do in the summer?
Bạn thích làm gì vào mùa hè?
Do you swim?
Chơi.
Do you like to swim?
Chơi.
Swim. Very good. So say, I like to swim. I like to swim.
I like to the bed.
Do you like to eat? This one. Do you like to eat ice cream in summer?
Bạn có thích ăn kem vào mùa hè không?
Yeah.
Yes. Wow, very good. So now let's say, yes, I like. I like to eat ice cream. Let's say, I like to eat ice cream. I like to eat ice cream. Yes, I like to eat ice cream. Let's say, I like to eat ice cream. Okay, next, let's go to our next page. Okay, let's look at the picture and two. What is this? What's in the picture? What's in the picture?
Trong ảnh có gì vậy?
What's in the picture? This is summer.
Summer.
Very good. Next. What's in the picture? What's in the picture?
Trong ảnh có gì vậy?
What's in the picture? It is sunshine.
Sometimes.
Very good. Next one. What's in the next picture? This is
Trong ảnh có gì vậy?
the rain.
The wind.
Very good. Good job. This is the rain. How about in our next picture? What is this? This is What's in the picture, Antu?
Trong ảnh có gì vậy?
Bờ wheel.
Flowers.
Flower.
Very good. Next picture. What's in the picture?
Pond.
This one. What is this?
Ống.
This is the beach.
Bee. Pond.
Ball. Very good. Ball. This is the ball. Next. What do we call this one?
Green.
Swimsuit. Let's say one more time. Swimsuit.
Kim.
Swimsuit.
The wheel.
Very good. Last picture. What do we call this place? This is the
The
garden.
David.
Very good. So next. Okay, let's take a look at the picture. What is the weather? Or what weather do they play football? What weather do they play football?
Họ chơi bóng đá trong thời tiết như thế nào?
What weather? It is rain. Very good. So now let's read our sentence. They are
They are
playing
playing in
football
football
in the rain.
in the wind.
Very good. They are playing football in the rain. So next, where is the woman working? Where is the woman working?
Người phụ nữ đó đang làm việc ở đâu?
She is working.
Marshall.
Okay, one more time. She is
Yes.
working
Toàn toàn keyword.
on the beach. Let's say beach. Let's say beach.
Beat.
Very good. So next one. What animal is this? What animal is this?
Put.
This is
Đây là con vật gì?
this is
Oh.
a dog. Very good. This is a dog. What is this? This is ball.
Ball.
Very good. So now let's read the sentence. The dog
Dog.
is playing
And the onion.
with a ball.
And ball.
Very good. So next. What is the girl wearing? What is the girl wearing?
Cô gái đang mặc gì vậy?
What is the girl wearing?
Red.
The girl,
Glass.
let's say the girl is wearing
Red bull.
a pink swimsuit. Okay, one more time. Let's say it correctly.
Correct.
Swim
In.
suit.
Shoot.
Very good. What is the color of the swimsuit, Antu? What is the color of the swimsuit?
Bộ đồ bơi này màu gì?
Bing.
Pink. Very good. Good job. So next, let's go with next page. What are the father and son planting?
Blasting.
Flowers.
Flower. Blasting flower.
Let's say father and son. Father and son are planting
Planting
flowers.
flower.
Very good. So next. Okay, let's take a look at this picture. This is the sunshine.
The sunshine.
Very good. So now, where where is the sunshine from? Where is the sunshine from?
Ánh nắng mặt trời đến từ đâu?
And what is
It is from
from
the sun.
the sun?
Very good. So next, how do you feel when standing under the sunshine?
Ánh nắng mặt trời đến từ đâu?
Mặt trời.
I feel
Ở phía
warm.
one.
Very good. Good job. So next, what should we wear? What should we wear in the sun?
Chúng ta nên mặc gì?
What should we wear? We should wear we should wear
Where
t-shirt,
teacher
shorts,
should
hat,
have
and sunglasses.
sunglasses.
Very good. So next. Okay, next one is the rain.
Rồi.
Let's say one more time. The rain. The rain. Rain. Okay, next. Let's answer the question. Is there a rain in sunny days? Yes or no?
Trời có mưa vào những ngày nắng không?
Yes or no?
No.
No, no. There
Anh ngồi rồi lại.
is no rain. Okay, so we will end our lesson here and too because it's 7:30. So now I will go to your brother. Thank you so much for your participation today, Antu, and see you again soon. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Let's go to your brother, Dankwa.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Okay, let's go to Dankwa. Where is Dankwa?
What is
Hello, Dankwa. Wow. Nice to see you again, Dankwa. How are you today?
I have happy.
Wow, you are happy. That's good to know. And are you ready for today's lesson?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So this will be the continuation of our lesson last time. But first, let's have a review of what we have last time. So now, if you still remember, what is this?
Leaves.
Very good. One more time, let's say dirt.
Dust.
Perfect job. Next, what is this?
It's
Gra-
grass.
Perfect. Very good. This is grass. So next, what's in this? What is this?
Sprinkling.
Starts with letter H. Hey.
And hi. Hey. Hey.
Very good. Hey, good job. How about this one? What is this?
Soft.
It is starts with letter K. K.
Hey, cake. Ketchup.
Very good. Ketchup. One more time. Let's say ketchup.
ketchup,
Perfect. So next, what is this?
oil,
Oil. Very good. How about the last picture?
pen,
Paint. Very good. Wow, you can still remember all of those words that we have learned last time. So now let's go to our activity. So let's answer this one once again. This one. What's in the picture?
eating pizza, and ketchup in my favorite.
Very good. Ketchup. Next. How about this one?
Hey, um, I and my friend usually play hide and seek. No to eat no hey
Near the? What is the answer?
hey
Hey, very good. So now let's read these words again. So let's read usually.
usually
Okay, one more time. Let's say you. Shh.
usually
Perfect. You got it right. So next, let's read this one. Hide.
right
Seek.
sick
Near.
near
Okay, can you read the sentence in the whole? Can you read again the whole sentence? Uh,
mm,
I.
out mm,
Let's read it once again. I and my friends.
I am sick and sick near
Okay, let's read this one more time. I and my friends.
I and my friend usually
Very
play
good.
hide and seek near to face
Very good. This one is seek.
sick
Very good. So now let's move on to our next sentence. Okay, let's read the sentence.
turtle lying on the green grass.
Very good. Green grass. So next, let's read this word. Like. Let's say like.
Like,
Lying.
like
Okay, can you read the sentence once again? I like.
I like lying on the green grass.
Very good. Next. Okay, what is in the picture? What do we call this one?
This
Very good. One more time. Let's say dirt.
is
Dirt.
the
Very good. Next. Okay, let's read the sentence. People.
people use those to plant a tree.
Very good. Wow. Next. Okay, what is this? It is an starts with letter O.
Oh, oh,
Oil. Very good. That is an oil. So now let's have this sentence.
Chinese oil to run smoothie.
Very good. So now let's read this word once again. Let's say oil.
Oil
Very good. Smoothly.
smoothie.
Okay, one more time. Smoothly.
Smooth smoothie.
Very good. So now let's read the whole sentence. A bike.
Bye. Chinese oil to run smoothie.
Very good. Smoothly. Ly.
Lee
Smoothly.
smoothie.
Very good. Wow. One more time. Can you read this word again? Smooth.
Smoothie. Smoothie.
Smoothly.
Smoothie.
Very good. Wow. You are learning. Okay, next. Next one. What is the girl doing?
Paint make rooms more peachy.
Very good. So now let's read this word again. Let's say beautiful.
Beautiful.
Very good. So can you read once again the sentence? Paint.
Paint.
Let's read the whole sentence.
Paint makes room more beautiful.
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 Very good. Next. Okay, so now teacher has a question here. Okay, can you read this question?
Mm, do you like do you like playing messy way?
Okay, let's read this word once again. Let's say bye.
Bye.
Okay, so now teacher has this question. Do you like playing by a messy way?
Bạn có thích chơi theo kiểu bừa bộn không?
Yes or no?
No.
No, very good. Why no? Why no?
Because
Không,
no.
Because
No, I do. Because play
because I like
research no I like uh messy way. Playing messy way.
I did. Okay, so you would say, do you like to be do you like to be messy or clean? Messy or clean?
bạn thích
Mm,
bừa bộn hay sạch sẽ?
Messy or clean? Clean. Okay, so now let's read this sentence. No.
no. No, I don't. Because I like being clean.
Very good. So next, let's have question number 2. So can you read number 2?
Um,
What?
she do has usually play
Very good. So what messy games do you usually play, Dangkwa?
Bạn thường chơi những trò chơi nào hay gây bừa bộn?
um, is soccer,
Oh, okay, let's say I usually play
soccer
soccer. Do you
and
play and
and playing basketball.
wow, very good. So do you play soccer and basketball?
Soccer.
Yes. Wow, that's very good. Don't you play football? Football?
No, I,
No,
I like soccer.
you like soccer more. Wow, very good. So next. So let's read this next question. Is your mom
Is mom and is mess playing mess.
your yes? Is it yes or no?
Mm,
Ah, your mom is not angry when you play dirty? Okay, let's have this one.
Mẹ bạn có tức giận khi bạn làm hỏng mọi thứ không?
Is your mom angry when you mess up everything? Yes or no?
yes,
Yes. Okay, let's say yes, she is.
yes, is
Very good. So next question. So who helped you clean up everything? Who helped you clean up everything? Okay, let's have this one.
Ai sẽ giúp bạn dọn dẹp mọi thứ?
um, and grandma
Grandmother, wow. Okay, let's say my grandmother.
and help me clean up everything.
Very good. So your grandmother helped you? Yes? You're,
Yes.
yes, wow, that's very good. So next. Okay, so let's have this one. So we have our main idea here and supporting details. So let's have a review about main idea. So when we say main idea, so can you read this one?
Main idea is a picture of the mouse. Important thing to a story or picture is a book.
Okay, very good. So now let's read these words again. Let's say thought.
Stop
Perfect. About.
about
Very good. So now, for the main idea, it is the main focus of the story or the picture. Okay, so let's have this one. Can you listen to this one?
Ý chính là ý tưởng lớn hoặc điều quan trọng nhất mà câu chuyện hoặc bức tranh đề cập đến.
Okay, so let's look at the picture. What do you think is the main idea?
is
What is the girl doing?
the girl eating
Eating?
eating
Is it a hot dog or sandwich? Hot dog or sandwich?
eating hot dog.
Hot dog. Very good. So our main idea, which is the focus of the picture, so the girl is eating a hot dog. So now let's go with our supporting details. So can you read about the supporting details?
Uh, the supporting details are too small. Idea that still was most opposed to the main idea
Very good. So let's read this word again. Let's say about.
about
Very good. About. Okay. So when we say supporting details, so these are about the main idea or the smaller ideas about the main idea. So let's listen to this one for you to fully understand what a supporting detail is.
Các chi tiết hỗ trợ là những ý tưởng nhỏ hơn giúp chúng ta hiểu rõ hơn về ý tưởng chính.
Okay, so now let's try to make a sentence with the main idea and the picture. So let's take a look at this girl. Is the girl messy?
is
Yeah, yes. So let's put what we will put in supporting details
not the first good
is
eating messy.
very good. The girl is eating messy. Is the girl happy or sad?
Good is
Is the girl happy or sad?
yes,
The girl is happy or sad?
happy
Very good. The girl is
happy
happy while
by eating.
very good. So that is our second supporting details. How about this one? What is in her face?
Is
Is it ketchup?
it
Very good. So now let's put another supporting detail. So let's put she has.
it of ketchup.
Where is the ketchup?
She eating hot dog messy ketchup.
Yes. Where is the ketchup? Is it on the face or on the clothes? On the face?
It's
Yes. So she has ketchup on her face. Er,
fresh.
And what do we call this one?
It's um, this is
Clothes. We call it
sis
shirt. Shirt or
skirt
cl-
Clothes.
Clothes. So very good. So how is she eating? How is the girl eating?
Girl eating a hot dog.
Yes, she is eating a hot dog. Very good. And how is she eating? Wait, how is the girl eating? Is she holding the hot dog? Yes or no?
Yes.
Cô gái đang ăn như thế nào? Cô
Very
ấy có
good.
đang cầm xúc xích không? Có hay không?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So the girl is,
Eating hot dog.
what is she holding?
Holding to hot dog.
Hot dog. Very good. So the girl is holding the hot dog. So very good. So this will be our supporting details, which supports our main idea, or what are the things or the other things that we can see in the picture. So very good. So good job, Dankwa. So now let's go with our next activity. So for this activity, Dankwa, so as we can see, so we have here sentence. So the sentence does not begin with capital letter. So whenever we write a sentence, it should be on a capital letter. Let's look at this word. Is it a big letter S or small letter S?
Yes.
Is it big letter S or small letter S?
Small.
Small. Yes, this is a small letter S. So when we rewrite a sentence, so we will make it a big letter in front or in the beginning always. So we will rewrite this as, can you read this one?
Sun is for my finger.
Very good. So when we write sentence, Dangkwa, so we always write the letter in the beginning with capital letter.
Khi viết câu Đặng Khoa, chúng ta luôn viết chữ cái đầu tiên bằng chữ in hoa.
Okay, so for this one, like this in the example, so we make it a big letter S. This one is small. So how about in the second sentence? Can you read the second sentence?
With the same
This one, can you read this one?
loose if of my arms.
Very good. So now, what will be the changes here? Do
With
we, what is this? A small letter or big letter?
big letter
This one?
in small.
Yes. What letter is this?
This. The least
Letter? Letter
letter small.
G. Letter G.
Letter Z.
Yes. So we will write letter G as big letter. So when we write sentence, so we will start with big letter. So this one is small letter G and big letter G. So the big letter G, small letter G. So when we start with sentence, we will always start with big letter. So next, this one. Is this a small letter or big letter?
E. This is big letter.
Is it a big letter or small letter?
Small.
Small, very good. What letter is this?
C.
Letter
C.
C, very good. This is letter C. So what will be the big letter C? This one, right? Big letter C. So we will write it as this one. Can you read our second or our third sentence?
The letters are for my face.
Okay, very good. Let's read this word one more time. Let's say crumbs.
Grams.
Crumbs.
Grams.
Very good. So we will use. So now, Dangwa, is this a big letter C or small letter C?
Small
This
and
one?
big letters.
Big letter C. Very good. So now, is the sentence correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So when we remember, Dangwa, remember when writing a
Mm,
sentence, we should always start with capital letter or big letters. Okay?
Hãy nhớ rằng, khi viết một câu, chúng ta luôn phải bắt đầu bằng chữ cái viết hoa hoặc chữ cái in hoa.
Okay?
mm,
Okay, so we will start with big letters always. Okay? So next, let's go with this one. Okay, so we will choose from this one for this word bank. So can you read this word?
Egg in is a cake.
Number one. Can you read number one? Cake.
Cake is a big letter.
Yes, very good. It is in a big letter. So what will be the answer to the blank one? Is it is, my, or for?
Nine.
Are you sure? Can you read that one? Cake,
Mm,
cake, my for the floor. Is it correct?
My.
Is it my or is?
My.
Are you sure?
No is.
It is because it is followed by the word for. So we will use is. Cake is for the floor. So for this one, for my, so it is not suitable or it does not fit the sentence. So if we use my, so the sentence will be cake my for the floor. So it has no context. So we will not understand. But for this one, cake is for the floor. Okay, so next, number two. So we have here is. So
Boss
you,
is
uh,
is false to culture.
what will be the word?
Or E. Big letter.
Yes, very good. So E is a big letter. But in this one, what is the missing word? Is it my or for?
Full.
For?
Mm,
Yes, very good. So eggs are for the counter. Good job. So next, number three.
Water is false. My. My mouth.
Very my mouth. Very good. Water is for my mouth because we use our mouth to drink. So good job. So we will use my. When we say my, it is for us. So very good for this, for answering this one. So next. Okay, so now Dankwa, what are the things that you like to play?
I like to play soccer.
I like to play soccer. How about the other things that you play?
I like to play back.
Basketball. Very good. Basketball. I like to play basketball. Very good. When do you play? When do you play soccer? When do you play soccer, Dankwa?
Bạn chơi bóng đá khi nào?
It's no.
Huh?
It is no. Mm,
Do you play every weekends? Do you
it's,
play every Saturday and Sunday?
Bạn có chơi vào mỗi thứ Bảy và Chủ nhật không?
yes.
Yes. Okay, so let's create a sentence. I play soccer every.
day, Saturday, and Sunday.
Very good. How about basketball? Do you also play basketball in Saturday or on Saturday and Sunday? Yes or no?
No, it's playing is Monday and Tuesday.
Wow. Okay, let's have the sentence. I play basketball every Monday and
Tuesday.
Thursday
Mm,
or Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Wow. Okay, let's read the sentence. I play.
I play basketball every day, Wednesday and Thursday.
Very good. Okay, let's read this word again. Let's say Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Very good. So now, let's move on to our next one. So we will have here the grammar, which is plural. So when
Balula.
yes. Okay, one more time. Let's say plural.
Balula.
Okay, plural.
Balula.
Very good. Good job. So now, can you read what is plural?
Mean most than one.
Very good. So plural means more than
Số
one.
nhiều có nghĩa là nhiều hơn một.
Okay, so we use, okay, can you read this one?
We use balula when we tell a, a boss
Very good.
about to almost people, animals, or things.
Okay, very good. So we use plural when we talk about two or more people, animals, or things.
Chúng ta dùng số nhiều khi nói về hai người, động vật hoặc vật trở lên.
Okay, for example, this one. Can you read this one?
A pen.
Very good. How many pen are in this one? How many
Mm,
pen?
two pen.
This one. This in this word. How many?
Two pen. No pen.
When we say a pen. So when we say a pen, so we use the word a.
A pen.
When
Pen.
yes, when we say a, so we are only talking about one pen.
One pen.
Yes, when we say a pen, how many pen are there? A pen. Only
One.
one. Very good. One more time. When we say a pen, how many pen are there?
One.
Only one. Okay. Next, this one.
Two pen.
Two pens. Very good. How many pen?
Two pen.
This. Two
Two.
pens. Okay, very good. So now let's take a look between the difference between these two words. So this one is, what word is this?
One pen.
This one.
Pen.
Pen. How about this one?
Pens. Two.
Pens. Okay. So let's take a look with their words. So this one, so it is without S. This one is, or this one has S. So this is the plural form. Yes, because we are talking about two, two pens.
Two.
Yes, yes. So if we are only talking about one pen, so we will just use pen without an S, without this one. But if we are talking about two, so we will add an S. So it will be pens. Do you
Pen.
understand? Yes. Let's have this one.
Four.
A
One.
ball. One
One.
ball. Very good. This one.
Uh, mm, uh, three.
Very good. Three balls. So what is the difference between two? What is the difference? So this one is
Is a ball.
is a ball? Only
Only one.
ball. This word, does it have an S or no?
Mm,
Does it has an S?
no.
No, very good, because this is in singular form. How about this word? Does it have an S? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So it will be ball. So very good. So this will be the plural form of ball because we have here three balls.
Mm.
Okay, so now let's have this one. What is the plural form of umbrella?
Umbrella.
We will add, what we will add?
Umbrella.
Umbre,
Umbrella.
we will add
Umbrella.
plural. Very good. So when we make a plural, Dangwa, we will add S at the end of the word. That's why we made it as umbrellas with S. This one without S. So when we make a plural, we will just add S. Okay. How about, yes, how about this one? What is the plural of flower?
Without S.
Very good. Good job. How about this one? One last one.
That S.
What is the word?
Only
It will be
S.
with S. How can you read the word with S?
In S.
How,
S.
how can you read this one?
Rush.
Jars. Very good. Jars. So next, last one, last example. What is the plural form of kangaroo?
Kangaroos.
Very good. Good job. So remember, Dangwa. So when we are making a plural, which is two or more things, we will add S. Okay? Okay, so next time we will practice this plural so that you will understand more. Okay, so this will be the end of our lesson for today, Dangkwa. So thank you so much for your active participation in today's lesson. So thank you and bye bye. See you again soon.
Goodbye, teacher. See you again.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.